ClusterVis is a technique that enables the analysis of cluster data. With our visualization, users can understand why a cluster was formed and what is a good number of clusters. Consider, for example, the iris data set, containing information about width and length of 150 iris flowers. Firstly, the data is clustered using an hierarchical clustering algorithm. Then, we upload the data to the system and generate a set of graphs that describe dimensions and clusters. ClusterVis consists in 4 views. The dendrogram, which display how the hierarchical algorithm created the clusters. The cluster entropy view, which represents how much each dimension contributes for each cluster. The average entropy view, which represents the contribution of every dimension for the entire clustering. And the data summary, which shows an overview of each set. In order to explore the data, the user can interact with the dendrogram, setting the height at which the tree is cut, and reordering dimensions, either by clicking on the cluster entropy view or on the average entropy view. We now explore a real-world data set containing information about medical records of Medicare patients. The dataset contains information about claim cost, diseases, age and race of patients. Dividing the data into clusters, we can see that the algorithm separated the patients into healthy, displayed on the top row, and sick, on the bottom row. When we increase the granularity to 3 clusters, the sick patients are now divided into expensive and non-expensive. We can continue the analysis by subdividing patient groups into smaller sets and reading their respective data summaries. For more information, visit the project page on GitHub.